Meinst du? Let's keep going. Ja, wirklich. Ah, ja. Ja, bin ich. Jetzt lass mich in Ruhe. Einmal. Wenn ich noch gegen die Schläge muss verlieren. Ich glaub, verdammt nochmal. You finally get to go home. Ja. Tschüss. Say goodbye and I can't take this anymore. I lied to you. A human soul isn't strong enough to cross the barrier alone. It takes at least a human soul and a monster soul. And that's... If you want to go home, you'll have to take his soul. You'll have to kill Asgore. Ah, wer jetzt denkt? I'm sorry. Ist mir gleich. Tschüss. Boah, Alter Mann. Killen wir den Asgore halt. Ich hoffe, dass der Kampf nicht gerade jetzt kommt, weil ich muss nicht heilen, ich muss etwas Zeug kaufen, ich muss Zeug in die scheiß Kiste rein tun. Ah, Junge, Mann. Ja, wenigstens kann ich speichern. Level 13. Danach kann man wahrscheinlich wieder mich irgendwo abschlagen. Der wieder in Use, ja, wie immer. Jetzt kommt wieder irgendjemand mega schnurren, 3 Stunden lang. Ich wollte doch einfach nur zu einer scheiß Kiste gehen. Vorher 50.000 Kisten, jetzt nicht eine. Nicht eine verdammte Kiste, wo ich meine Scheiße ablegen kann, die ich nicht brauche. Wo ich hure viel Leben kaufen kann, weil das brauche ich nämlich für den letzten Kampf. Aber nein, vergiss es. Oh, gute Musik. Das Haus vom Anfang. A long time ago, a human fell into the ruins. Injured by its fall, the human called out for help. Ui. Ein Schlüssel. The fridge is full of unpumpkin snails. Azrael, the king's son, heard the human's call. He brought the human back to the castle. The way is blocked by 2 padlocks. There's a note attached. Howdy, I'm in the garden. If you have anything you need to get your chest, please don't hesitate to come. The keys are in the kitchen and the... Wish. Oh, it's Shankly. Will you take it? Take it. You got a heart shape. Was? Heart locker. Ah, there's a worn dagger inside them. Oh yeah. Dum dum dum. Over time, Azrael and the human became like siblings. The king and the queen treated the human child as their own. The underground was full of hope. Schön. Ein Pokal. It's a trophy, number 1, newest nozzle gem. Dum. Dum. Boom. So, you unlock the chain. Jetzt wird's krass. Then, one day, the human became very ill. The sick human had only one request, to see the flowers from their village. But there was nothing we could do. The next day. the human died. Azrael, wrecked with grief, absorbed the human soul. He transformed into a being with incredible power. With the human soul, Azrael crossed through the barrier. He carried the human's body into the sunset, back to the village of the humans. Ich muss das eigentlich in Deutsch vorlesen, für die, die es nicht verstehen. Mach ich aber nicht. Azrael reached the center of the village. There, he found a bed of golden flowers. He carried the human onto it. Alter Mann! Suddenly screams rang out. The villagers saw Azrael holding the human's body. They thought that he had killed the child. The humans attacked him with everything they had. He was struck with blow after blow. Azrael had the power to destroy them all. But he didn't, Achtung. But Azrael did not fight back. Clutching the human, Azrael smiled and walked away. Wounded, Azrael stumbled home. He entered the castle and collapsed. His dust spread across the garden. The kingdom fell into despair. The king and queen had lost 2 children in one night. The humans had once again taken everything from us. So. The king decided it was time to end their suffering. Every human who falls down here must die. With no souls we can shatter the barrier forever. Darum hassen mich alle da unten. Well, will let us go, give us hope, will save us all. Das werden wir auch sehen. You should be smiling too. Aren't you excited? Aren't you happy? Kann ich es jetzt noch nicht sagen, nein? You're going to be free. Ja, wenn ich ihn umgelegt habe, schon, ja. Was ist da unten? Was ist da? Ich kann jetzt noch eine Geschichte von vorne hören. Nein, wollte ich nicht. Oh shit, wo zum Hell bin ich jetzt wieder? Ah, die Dings. Wie heisst das Skelettbeutel? So you finally made it. The end of your journey is at end. Oh, wir sind fast am Ende. In a few moments you will meet the king. Together, you will determine the future of this world. That's then. Now, you will be judged. You will be judged for every action. You will be judged for every XP you've earned. Oh, scheiße, ich habe alle umgelegt. It's an acronym. It stands for execution points. Oh. A way of quantifying pain. When you kill someone, your XP increases. When you have enough XP, your love increases. Love too is an acronym. It stands for level of violence. Ja, Alter. A way of measuring someone's capacity to hurt. Oh shit. The more you kill, the easier it becomes to distance yourself. The more you distance yourself, the less you will hurt. Oh scheiße.